We've now got sound in this game. Yeah, we got sound on, so play this game. It has you are an idiot, ha 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 ha. You are like that song. And also, feel free to spam. R.I.P. headphone users. And if people have epilepsy, I'm sorry. Because this is about to be bad. Again, RIP headphone users, and also, again, if you have epilepsy, I'm sorry, bro. If you didn't read, there is a literal description. You know that. There is epilepsy in the description. So, why is it frozen? Anyway, yeah, there is epilepsy. So enjoy your bleeding ears for some fun, because your ears won't ever left.